Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In today's video, we will learn about types of twins. Generally, we usually describe twins according to 2 points. Number 1 is how many eggs generally they develop from, that is 1 or 2. Second, whether they share a placenta in their mother's womb or not. On the basis of these 2 points, we generally describe twins and categorize them. So according to that, there are 2 types of twins. Number 1, identical twins. Number 2, fraternal twins. So let's get started with identical twins. Identical twins are also known as monozygotic twins. They are termed monozygotic because twins comes from only one zygote. Because the twins come from one zygote, they are named as monozygotic. Mono means one. And in identical twins, sometimes a fertilized egg splits within a few days of conception to produce genetically identical twins. Sometimes this is the egg and this is the sperm. Now it will get fertilized and this is the zygote. So sometimes in women this zygote splits into 2 separate zygotes. And these 2 zygotes will develop into 2 individuals, 2 separate individuals. And these 2 separate individuals are of same sex because only one type of sperm is involved in this process. That's why the gender, the sex of both these twins will be the same. Second point, both the twins are genetically identical because the zygote is one and from that 2 will split. That's why the genetically constituents will be the same. These twins are the identical twins. Next one is fraternal twins. Fraternal twins are also known as dizygotic twins. They are named as dizygotic because they develop from 2 different zygotes. Di means 2, that means they develop from 2 different zygotes. Sometimes woman ovaries releases 2 eggs and for those 2 eggs 2 separate sperms are required for fertilization and this form twins and they are known as fraternal twins. Because 2 zygotes are required, so they are named as dizygotic and they are also known as non-identical twins. So 2 different eggs are released by the woman and these 2 eggs are fertilized by 2 different sperms and then will develop into 2 separate zygotes. And these 2 separate zygotes will develop into 2 different individuals. That's why each egg fertilized by separate sperm, that's why these are non-identical twins. And 2 separate sperms are required, that's why the sex or gender of the individuals can be same or opposite. And these fraternal twins have separate placenta because they are developed from different zygotes and these different zygotes implant separately. That's why they have separate placenta. I have forgotten to tell you that in identical twins, the placenta is shared between the 2 twins because only one zygote is formed in identical twins, so they do not implant separately. That's why they shared the one placenta. These are the main difference between identical twins and fraternal twins. Identical twins are genetically identical and fraternal twins are not. Identical twins are monozygotic, fraternal twins are dizygotic. Identical twins require one egg, one sperm. Fraternal twins, 2 eggs and 2 sperms. And identical twins, placenta is shared. And in fraternal twins, placenta is not shared. That means 2 separate placenta. This is all about the difference between identical twins and fraternal twins. I hope you all get this. Please do like, share my videos, and for more updates, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.